Braiding hair is an easy, unique hairstyle for every girl to do.
Waking up every morning and having to do your hair is stress you shouldn't have to worry about. Hopefully you will be able to use these basic skills to get your hair done in no time. You want to start off by splitting the hair into 3 even sections. Take the farthest section to the left and move it to the middle, putting the middle piece underneath. Then take the farthest right piece and alternate it with the middle still going underneath. Keep repeating this pattern, alternating the outside pieces with the middle, making sure the middle stays underneath. Now that the braid is finished, you will need to wrap a hair tie around to secure the braid. Loop it until it is secure on the braid. This is the simplest type of many different braids, but we hope in no time you'll be able to do this without hesitation. All you need is a little bit of practice and you'll be able to do this within no time. Thanks for watching.